Has bath time become a bit of a problem? Do you struggle to get in and out? Then Aquability has the perfect answer. It's called the All-in-One Shower Module, and it'll transform your bath time difficulty into shower heaven in just one day. Just think of it, a gloriously warm, refreshing shower fitted in the same space as your old bath, with no mess, no fuss, or retiling. The secret's in its unique construction. From shower tray to shower door, every part is custom made to fit together quickly and neatly, so that in just a few hours you could be enjoying a wonderful shower in complete safety and comfort, standing up or sitting down. The all-in-one shower module from Aquability. No mess, no fuss, and fitted in a day. If you have difficulty getting in and out of the bath, call Aquability now on 0800 157 1671.